Changing out a motherboard. Right, here we go. Tops off. Okay. This one. Hard drive it. And get rid of the processor. Disconnect all the cables inside. Connect the fan. There we go. We have 4 screws at each corner. 1, 2, 4. Forgot this. Gotta take this out. Okay. Right. This ribbon cable goes away to the center and make it flat so we can pull it board it. And that is why we're replacing the motherboard. Swollen caps, leaking caps. Okay. Looks like part of the job done. I had to go grab a new motherboard. New motherboard. Okay, should slide on nicely as well. Nice slide in, just get these cables out of it. Line up your securing holes, put your screws back in, just as secured. There we go, 1. And 4. There we go. Now, put your processor in. New motherboard in the case. from the processing in. Good job. You need to lock it down. This lock here. There you go. This lock in place. Now, the heat sink mount. Right. Two screws, top and bottom. Right. Superb. There we go. That's on and secure. Let's get the power supply cables in place. Here we are here. Right, that's one on. Let's get this ribbon on first. Over here. There you go. That's your control panel for the front of the computer. Your case sensor, front fan for the pulling of the processor, and okay, now there's your motherboard cable, CD-ROM cable if you have a CD-ROM cable, CD-ROM installed. This machine doesn't, so put that in this channel. I'm just going to put this in the channel now to keep it from moving around. Right, main power supply. For the board. There you go. That should go on in there now. Okay. Reinstall RAM. There you go. The two clips must be pushed out. And then line them up. Click. Click. That's it. Okay. There's no other boards to go on this. That's fine. Your hard drive back in, preferably connect it up first on this model machine anyway. There we go. Just fiddle it, put it into place into the channels so it just stays nice and neat inside. There you go. Clip it into place. Super. Right, now we're ready to switch it on. VGA. Mouse keyboard. Power. And voila! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! Rock and roll! Yippee! Come on, no blue screen of death. No blue screen of death. Grand, happy days. Grand job. And that, my friends, is how you build a computer. Replace a motherboard even. Whoops. Sorry about that. All I need to do now is change the serial number on this board, and that's the end of it. Hope you enjoyed.